Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Beauty Girls Cracks. I hope you are all fine and doing well. In this video, I will show you a beautiful haircuts and hairstyles. Haircuts will change your personality and volumes to your hair. So my dear friends, let us talk about today's trendy fashions about hairs. Haircuts, hair colors, and short hairs are today's trend. If you love to follow trend your hair, you will cut your hair, you will color your hair into different styles and different size like layers cutting, shaggy haircuts, bob haircuts, pixie haircuts, layer haircuts, fine haircuts, and layer curvy cuts, short bob cut ideas, step cutting, and too much more haircuts ideas. These kinds of cutting will change your personality, look great, gorgeous, and stylish. And my dear friends, if you are a new subscribers on my channel, so make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel Beauty Girls Cracks and press the bell icon to get the latest and new daily updates. And like my all videos and share it with your friends and family members. And all other social media accounts like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. And also let me know in the comment section what kind of videos do you want to see on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. You are watching my all videos. Once again, if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, so please do subscribe my channel Beauty Girls Cracks and like my all videos. Take care yourself. See you soon with new collections, new ideas, and new trendy fashion about hairs. We will be right back with new videos and new trendy haircuts. Thanks for once again. Keep supporting me and do subscribe my channel Beauty Girls Cracks. Keep on watching and till then take care tomorrow. And Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.